Are you eating eggs with Daddy, Liz?
Say duh.
With hot sauce?
Say, is there another way to eat eggs?
It's hot. Give me a drink, hurry.
Have some citric acid with your hot sauce.
Better?
You want more? Say more.
No.
Very good. Oh!
So much for breakfast, huh? Thanks for making orange juice eggs.
What the heck was that, Liz? She tried to use one hand or what?
She's doing.
Did her hair and everything. Good job, Liz. Way to go. Don't use the cone, Ray.
Just scraping it out. Shut up. Yeah, hold it behind your ear. Why don't you give us a napkin instead of videotaping it?
Yes, sir.
Tell Mommy, get a napkin.
There you go.
Yeah. Fake cough.
Mama.
Eat up.
You thirsty? Is it good at orange juice?
Mama.
What? Eat. You don't need me. You don't need me.
Mama.
Oh, God.
Mommy.
Oh, gosh. Hi, Liz.
Mommy.